Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. So let's open the app. In the app, tap on the devices icon. Or rather find the HUAWEI Band 8 on the list of devices and tap on it to select it. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and then tap on Unpair device. Then tap on Unpair to confirm. Once you see this pop up, check the box, tap on OK, and you can close the app. Now open Settings on your iPhone. In Settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Here, find the HUAWEI Band 8 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. Now we can close the app or other settings, and that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.